Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI POCO X4 PRO 5G, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll to the wallpaper section. Now just here you can see that we got a couple of folders here with our device local photos, with the live photos, recently used and pre-installed. And here, if you want to use the online wallpaper, be sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or to the mobile data. As can you see, I'm not connected to the Wi-Fi, but I'll just do that to show you how you can use the online wallpapers. Now I'll just enter the PIN code out of screen, sorry. And as can you see, my device successfully connected to the network. And now we can see here our online wallpapers, and you can choose one from this. So I'll show you the two different ways how you can change your lock screen wallpaper. The first way just will be with the default wallpaper. So just click here and select one from these available wallpapers. For example, this one. Click here to preview. Now just tap to apply, and we want to set this wallpaper on the lock screen. So click now just here, and as you can see, we just successfully changed our device lock screen wallpaper. And also we got the second way. You just should hold for a while your screen, and here on the left down corner click to wallpaper section, and now we'll just set here the online wallpaper. I just select one from these wallpapers, for example this one. Click to apply by the same way set as a lock screen. Here you'll see the message that this wallpaper applied successfully, and now you can see this new wallpaper on our lock screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.